back to my channel. My name is Karen if you don't know me, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a sunflower. So fun fact about sunflowers is that they are originally found in North America. They flower between July and October, and each sunflower can contain up to 1,000 to 2,000 seeds. And there we go. So let's get into it. First step, you can draw a big circle, and then you can add little circles in it to create some textures for the seeds. And then second step, you can just add the petals on, keep them a similar shape and go all around the circle. You can add some fading in also to make it more realistic. And then third step, you can just add your stem on. Try maybe keep it a bit more chunkier, add some big leaves on because sunflowers have quite a chunky stem. And there we go, you have done it. Pretty simple. You're using color, use some yellow and brown and all the things. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Here's a little time lapse of my sunflower that I have done for you, so maybe you guys can see it also better. This is also part of my Enjoy the Little Things collection that I'm making at the moment, so to follow along, check out my Instagram. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.